factors affecting gravitational force. There are two factors that affect the gravitational force are: number one is the mass of the bodies, and second one is the distance between the bodies from their centers. So these are the two factors that affect the gravitational force between any two bodies. One is their mass and other is the distance between that bodies from their center. Now let's discuss about the relation between these factors affecting gravitational force and gravitational force. Number one is when the masses of bodies when the masses of two bodies, say two bodies change, but the distance between them remains same, but the distance between them remains constant or same. In this number A, if first let consider two bodies of mass m1 and m2 and are at distance d from their center, then the gravitational force is given by F is equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. Let this equation 1. Suppose the bodies m1 and bodies m2 at distance d from their centers. These bodies are at distance d from their centers and the force between them is F, acting in opposite direction but the magnitude of force is same. So the force is given by G is equal to m1 into m2 by d square. Number A is if the mass of both bodies are increased by 2 times, keeping the distance constant. constant. Here then the force between them F dash is given by F dash is equal to G into 2 m1 into m2 by 2 m2 by 2 m2 by d square, or is equal to G into 4 m1 m2 by d square, or F dash is equal to 4 f. So this is the force. The mass is here doubled, keeping the distance between them from center constant, 2 m1 2 m2. This is the F dash between them. So this F1 F dash becomes 4 times the previous one. Thus the new force increases by 4 times. Now second number one B is B. In B, if the masses of both bodies decrease by 2 times, keeping the distance constant, then the new force is given by here the mass is decreased by 2 times, keeping the distance constant. So from their center the distance d is same, constant as previous, but mass is decreased by 2 times, and the force F dash between them is given by F dash is equal to G into m1 by 2 into m2 by 2 by d square. Then what would happen? Let's see. Or F dash is equal to 1 by 4 into G m1 m2 by d square. F dash, or F dash is equal to 1 by 4th times the force. thus eh, thus the new force of attraction between two bodies in decreased by 4 times. 4 times. So we can make two conclusions from here, from these two observation. From observation A, what we can make conclusion that if we increase mass of both bodies by n times, then the new force will increase by n square times. Okay, and in second case, if we decrease the mass of both bodies by n times, then the new force will decrease by n square times. So these are the two conclusions. I will write it later. Now go to when we change the displacement. I have to take the paper.